This video tutorial is the ultimate guide that is going to help you to customize your own ChatGPT. And guess what? It's only going to take us less than 9 minutes. It will perfectly align with your unique requirements. So get ready for some eye-opening insights. You would think you need to have so much technical expertise, but trust me, all you need to do, just follow this video and you will be able to build your own. My expertise lies in data analytics and AI, and I decided to customize my own ChatGPT that is going to include top-ranked supply chain management KPIs that any professional in supply chain function or even executives should know. So if you like what you see, get in touch and I can customize your ChatGPT for your own business. But if you like to build it with me, then follow this video. So let's start. This feature right now is only available to Enterprise and ChatGPT Plus users. Secondly, the reason why you want to build a customized ChatGPT is perhaps you want to focus on a special research area, or you've got an interest in certain topics. So you will start collecting various documents and also maybe different links on the websites, and you can actually feed it into this customized ChatGPT. So therefore, it can become an area or a chatbot for faster decision making, as well as for customized learning. Otherwise, you still can use the normal ChatGPT, but the results will be very generic and not necessarily factual. By you providing all the links and the documents, suddenly you are creating your own expertise. I call it a customized Wikipedia. Essentially, what this does is we will run a prompt that is going to condense all these documents and it will search over them. So yeah, it's nothing revolutionary about this, but what is cool about this customized ChatGPT is that you can build these experts area of interest or these customized GPTs for specific topics that you need to, right? So I can create one for marketing. I can create one for my research in my PhD area. I can do another one for specifically for a client on HR policies and procedures and so on. So you can build as many customized GPTs as you need. Okay, now let's get into building our very first highly specialized GPT. The first step is we need to go, of course, to chat.open.com, which is the ChatGPT website. And there are a couple of ways how you can access the GPTs. So one, you can either click on Explore, or the second way is by you clicking your name and pick the My GPTs option. Both options will get you to the same page where you can pick some of the already pre-built GPTs, as you can see, but they were already pre-built by OpenAI. But the most interesting part here is right at the top that is called Create a GPT. And by you clicking this button, we will be able to enter the GPT builder. And now, really, we have two ways of approaching this. We can either just talk to ChatGPT and it will build the GPT for you, but you know what? It won't be extremely precise. And this is the exciting stuff. So for us to control the customization, we'll head over to the Configure tab over here, which will present you with all these options. Of course, I already built few ChatGPTs, so I'm going to fly through the setup. But you will be able to see how you can pick your own area of interest and replicate the process. So let's start first assigning a name to our customized GPT, right? So this is purely for your own reference. In my case, I'm going to build, of course, some supply chain KPIs. Let's call it Top Supply Chain KPIs. In the next field, we need to now provide a description, okay, of the name, like of the ChatGPT. So I'm going to put something like, it's tailored for supply chain management professionals to assist you in navigating through a comprehensive database of over 1,500 plus KPIs that are crucial for robust supply chain operations, focused on demand forecasting, procurement, inventory management, and warehouse and storage. Okay, so you can customize it. You can be very specific what this your customized ChatGPT is going to be on. Okay, so it's purely for your own reference. In the next, we have to fill out the instructions, and this is where it gets really interesting. Here we put all the context that you want ChatGPT to become an expert in. Okay, so in my case, I'm focusing on all the KPIs that are relevant for supply chain. So I'm just writing here. This chatbot is basically equipped with a list of supply chain KPIs focused on decision making to improve supply chain management over just providing measures and so on. Okay, so as you can see, you have to be very detailed and specific how the results will be coming out. Okay, so make sure you'll tailor it to your own needs. And you will see the more you do this, you will be able to go back, edit it, and make it even better. Okay, so do not sweat the first version. You can always become better. If you have any specific databases or PDFs that can help you to narrow down the expertise, right, on your customized GPT, then just include it and attach it over here. In my case, I've been building my own database of a comprehensive guide to supply chain KPIs, and I've built over 1,500 different measures that can be used either for demand forecasting, procurement, warehousing, logistics, and so on. Okay, so I'm including it in here because I want my customized GPT to be very full of expertise. And now you've got an opportunity to also provide some conversational starters. And what these are is they are just prompts. They will be displayed in your kind of opening page, and it's amazing for users that they can initiate some of the most frequently asked questions that previous users could have had. For example, users might be asking, oh, give me the top 10 most used KPIs for inventory management or for the demand forecasting and so on. So I'm just going to give you like a couple of examples that, how to write them and how they are going to then look like when we actually go live with the GPT. So my first conversational starter is on list 10 key inventory management KPIs that stand as critical metrics for operational resilience and efficiency, and so on. And in the face of today's complex global supply chain landscape, it's crucial for manufacturing businesses to keep close watch on their inventory management. And then the second conversational status is very similar, but it's going to list top 10 essential demand forecasting KPIs. Okay, so you can, of course, customize it to your own expertise, but here I'm just providing you a couple of examples. And that's it. Now you have filled out all these fields, so you just hit create and your custom GPT is ready to use. It will appear on your sidebar and you can start using it right away. And remember, to build it is super fast, but make sure you actually feed it with all the expertise and PDFs and the databases, for your customized GPT to be as advanced as you need to have it. Okay, you can do it and create one for your own business if you're an entrepreneur, or as a professional that you are building maybe some kind of own library of expertise. You might be an academic and you might be building it for your own, let's say, specific class that you are teaching, or maybe you are a PhD and you want to build a library of your own research articles. You can actually feed as many articles there, or you are just a student and you want to start creating your own customized GPTs for each class that you take. So the possibilities are endless. This is how you build your own custom GPT. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.